Sakshi. Oops. Hi, Aksh. Hi, Mahesh Salmu Kalanor. Hi, Dhruvi. Hi, Darshana. Hi, Equinox. What's happening, guys? What's up with everybody? How has everybody been? Okay, so I'm literally here for like around 10 minutes because then I have to go in for my next scene. And I can't tell you what's going to happen in the show next, but I'm very excited for this new thing that's happening in the show. Hi, Sohail, thank you so much. Thank you. C7919. Hi, Irfan. I am very good. I'm enough. Hi, Ridhima. Where is my chai? Chai with Ahmad. How are you, Ahmad? I really hope that I come to Dubai very soon and I get to see your lovely face. No, Pratibha, I can't give you my number. Hi, Karan. Hi, Gavit. Hi, Twinkle. Why am I not visible? Am I not visible, guys? Am I visible? Am I visible? Am I visible? Some people are saying I'm not. Ahmad, why don't you join me in this? Join me in my live. Hi, Deepak. Hi, Mahi. Hello, Jannat. Hello, Lenat. Hi, Mohammed Dari. Hi, Queen of Pearls. Everybody's saying hi. Okay, wait. Okay. No, Vareen, I can't tell you what's going to happen next. Please say my name. Hi, Sam. Hi, Equinox. Hi, Zoya. Bipin Modi. Hi. Swing, long time. Yes, you're visible. Yes, thank you. Thank you. So, what's up? Twinkle, I don't know why I'm not visible on your phone because people are telling me that I am visible. Thank you, Mehak. So kind of you. Hi, Vicky. मेरा पूरा टाइम ना हेलो बोलने में निकल जाएगा. So any questions? What's happening? You got any questions? Hi, Tasleem. Hi, Dhillon. Hi, Aditi Das. Hi, Amina. Hi, Sonika. Hi, Jatin Gamer. Hi, Sweetie. Thank you so much. Hi, Kirti. Hi, Trivedi ji. Hi, Real Surbhi. Where is Mish? Mish is not shooting today, but I am missing her. Like, you know, I hardly sit in my room. I'm always chilling with Malika and Tanu. And for the past few days, I'm having to sit in my own room and like not chill with them, so I'm missing them. Deepak, for that you'll have to watch the show. Hi, Komal. Dhilo, don't say that. बोलो ना क्या बोलना है आपको. मुझे क्या बोलना है. I just thought I'll come and say a quick hello because मुझे बहुत सारे requests आए हैं to come live and it's been a while. Yes, Abrar and Sargun are shooting. Poor guys are always shooting. Sargun is in her room. I think she's gone to change because we have another scene lined up. Hi, Ruchi. Hi, Bhavik. Poor visibility. Why? Why is there poor visibility? 1 second. Any better? Is it any better? Hi, Chetu. Where is Sargun? Sargun is in her room. What is my color? What does that mean? If you are asking about my favorite color, it's white. Hi, Narins Hussain. What's my favorite color? It's white. It's white. Thank you so much, Ritik. So sweet. How did I start acting? I started acting 10 years back, guys. It's been a while. And I started acting with a show on Sony called Rishta.com. And yeah, since then I've been acting. Hi, Michelle. Michelle Mushtaq, thank you so much for... I think you are the one who's posting a lot of good things about Ahana. YC khatam hone wala hai? What nonsense. No dead devil. That's not happening. Please go to Abrar sir's room. I think he's busy right now. I'm not very sure. When am I coming to Pakistan? So well, I don't know. Yeah, this stupid COVID. I don't know when that's going to happen. महिमा के राज से पर्दा कब उठेगा? जल्द उठेगा. और धीरे धीरे उठेगा because that track was very very entertaining. कितना weight lose किया है काफी. I am Sumit Chauhan. I'm going to block you if you say such things. Thank you, Nids. What is my favorite song? I have a lot of favorite songs. These days, there's this one song called Perfect by Ed Sheeran. And lots of love from Bangladesh. Thank you. Thank you, Memuna. I love Pani Puri. I love Pani Puri. I can't go to Sargun's room, Rusha Ami, because her room is a little far off. And I'll be called for my shot any time now. Which is your favorite fruit? I love all seasonal fruits, but one of them, like my recent favorites that's going on these days, I can't really survive without, has to be strawberries. Hi Prisha Goyal. Thank you S22. Mahima Ahana को अच्छी नहीं लगती है, but otherwise we are good. Thank you so much, Alice. My favorite singer, my mom. She was a wonderful singer. In fact, she was called the Lata Mangeshkar of Delhi University. So, my mom. My favorite destination, I'm missing going to New York. It's been a while. I want to go to New York. Are you BTS Army? What does that mean? Okay. Thank you, Len Nawad. Toasty or Ahana? That's a very difficult question. Hi Kaushal, belated happy birthday. Samir Israni. My favorite Bollywood movie, Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar. Do you like to know Shruti Sharma? I have hardly interacted with her, but yes, we have met once or twice. What else? What else? Okay, now you guys tell me. What's up with you and how are you liking YHC? Hi Smriti. Tannu Bhabhi. I was Dhanu, not Tanua. Hi Khadija. Hi Abu Saad. Will you come into Devyani 2 if it will start? Depends on my commitments at that point of time. Hi Shweta. Hi Ria. Say Abrar to come live. Poor thing, yeah, he's always very busy. I don't think he'll get the time. But I'll still request him. Let's see. Yashwani. Are you married, Indian serial actress? Yes, I am married. Have been married for the past 6 years. How will Ahana react to Saransh's truth? You will get to know very soon. Thank you so much. You know, I think it's wonderful to come live because itna morale boost ho jata hai. You guys say such lovely things about us. So thank you. I've just come for that, for my morale boost. So that you say all these lovely things and I can go back to my scene, go back to my set feeling all the more rejuvenated and energized, all because of your compliments. Say Abrar to come live. Oh, Rohit is live. Hi, Rohit. Rohit is going to ask me whether when I call you, you never pick up my calls. You say that you're busy and now you're live. Rohit, I've come live after a long time. How's my skin, Twinkle? Oh, my skin is getting better. But I've never had such a bad acne breakout. And with some medication and some extra care, my skin is getting better. Thank you, Khadija. Rohit ji, kaise ho? Which scene is being shot? आगे का scene जिसके बारे में मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती. Just waiting for your magic and track in YHC. So waiting. How sweet, Meher. Thank you. We won YHC back in top 5. I want YHC to be number 1 because Rudra and Prisha, they work very hard. Please, why don't you guys come live together? That's because either one of us, we are always busy in shots, so it gets a little difficult. Makeup must be a nightmare. Yes, in fact, right now I was just thinking whether I should ice my skin because it's burning and we just shot outdoor. So my skin is actually burning right now. Ma'am, you're amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, I'm shooting right now. मैं घर पे ऐसे तैयार होके नहीं बैठती हूँ. Hi Moni. Please call my name Divya. Hi Divya. I used to love her. I'd see her till Mahima track started, and then. Okay, you know what? Every story, every show has various storylines, and this is something that I, in fact, wanted to talk to all of you about. That I see a lot of negativity coming in. Rohit, pack up my time, hai. So. My husband is asking pack up kab hoga, so that's going to take a while. I shall see you home by dinner time. Anyway, so I'm not liking this whole negativity that's coming through all these fan pages towards this particular storyline, and there's no need to troll actors when they're doing their job. So I really request all of you to kind of not be negative, because I mean, fan clubs should be all about love, right, and not hate. So आज भी मैं काफ़ी कुछ देख रही थी, and there was a lot of nonsense that was written regarding certain people, and that's not cool, guys. I expect better out of you. Hi Angel, thank you Sanjay. Meher Singh, well, what can I say? Not the writer, but like I said, every show has certain storylines. They have tracks. And it's imperative for all you loyal fans to love each and every track. Hi Arushi Joshi. Climax में क्या होगा? शिखा बच जाएगी क्या? अच्छा, ये talking about मैं ना बोलूँगी. उसके लिए देखते रहो. Hi Khushi. Hi Nishika. Hi Mahi. Hi Pearl. Hi Miss Gujarati. If you don't like me, kindly leave this live chat. There's no need for you to be around. Hi Ashna. Hi Kiara. Hi Anjali. Okay, bye Anjali. Hi Rusha X Love. Hi Shrishti. Hi Harjot. Thank you for watching my first show. Oh my god, I loved working in Tridevia. It was so much fun. I think I've always had a knack for comedy, and Tridevia was just so much fun. And also that I got to work with 2 more girls, and I always get along better with women as compared to men. So yeah. Hi Savi Negi. Hi Tushar. Hi Tejas. आप कोलैब नहीं करते क्या मैम? बहुत कम. Only in the brands that I believe in. Hi Rashi. Tridevia was the best. Storyline plot was amazing. So sweet. मैंने नहीं लिखा था, but I will let the writers know. Hi Josh. Hi Sabir. No Dolly, I can't add you. Sorry. Hi Pallavi. Hi Shanaz. Hi Ananya. Where is Rohit? Rohit is not here right now. Rohit is busy with his life, and I'm busy here shooting, which is like really far from where I stay. So we spend around good 2 hours one way. So that's 4 hours gone in just traveling. Thank you, Unique Crafts. Thank you, Rusha. Thank you. अच्छा, hello करना है तो फिर मैं जाऊं? Should I go? What was your review from the book Inexperienced? What is that book? I've not read any book called Inexperienced. Do you mean unfinished? Well, it's unfinished right now. I'm still reading, and where have I reached? I've reached midway. So, in the process. I miss your toasty book. Yeah, it was a lot more easier. I didn't really have to doll up so much. It was hardly any makeup, and the hair was not so fancy. Hi, IGBittu01. God, I will just keep saying hi for like next howsoever many minutes that I'm here. Yes, it was Ayu's birthday yesterday, and it was so cute the way Sargun cut the cake with the entire team. It was so sweet. Ayu has become a part of our team. प्रीशा है तो बहुत क्यूट, वो रियलिटी में बहुत 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 क्यूट है. Hi Arushi Joshi. I know I should have been doing GK videos with Rohit. No, I promise I'll do it soon. सरगुन दीदी और अब्रार सर के बारे में कुछ बताइए ना, क्या जानना चाहते हैं आप? दोनों बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग हैं. That's one thing that I can tell you for sure. Ahana plus Prisha will be a treat to watch. You know, I have been a part of this show for the past 1 year, but me and Prisha, we have always been at loggerheads. And now me and Prisha are doing a lot of scenes together alone, so we are getting to know each other much better. So, and she's a sweetheart. I love that girl. She's so sweet. She's unpretentious, and I'm really enjoying working with her. वो scene के बीच में कभी बार हंस देती है, and it's so cute. My favorite web series these days I'm watching this show called Firefly Lane on Netflix. And अगर हिंदी में पूछो तो अनपॉज्ड करके एक शो आया है on Amazon. Please watch it. It's really nice. When is my birthday? निकल गया 4th Jan. Rudra and Prisha, I think they're shooting. कोई funny part बताइए अब्रार गुन का. प्रीशा तो मतलब she is this bubbly chick, and at the same time she's very spaced out. वो अपने फ़ोन में लगी रहती है या फिर अपनी स्क्रिप्ट्स पढ़ रही होती है, और अगर उसका मूड होता है तो वो पागलबंदी कर रही होती है, सेट पे उछल रही होती है, कूद रही होती है. And Abrar is a lot more quieter, but when he's in his element, he's a great mimicry artist. मतलब he has picked up mannerisms from of so many people on our set, and वो सिर्फ उसे body language करनी होती है, body language दिखानी होती है, and we get to know who he is talking about. So he's a great mimic. I love my reels with Tanu. I think I am waiting for her to shoot so that we can make another one. मैंने कौन सी वेब सीरीज में काम किया है? मैंने सारा भाई वर्सेस सारा भाई टेक 2 में काम किया है. आहाना को जब पता चलेगा सारांश राजीव का बेटा है तो आहाना का क्या रिएक्शन होगा, उसके लिए आपको शो देखना पड़ेगा. आई लव माई सेट सिस्टर. आई थिंक शी इज अडोरेबल. प्लीज मैं ना भूलूंगी प्लीज. आई एंजॉय डूइंग दैट शो एज वेल. Why Satyajit Sharma left the show? Well, that's a question that you should be asking him. But all I can say is that I really miss him. One thing about Satyajit sir is that me and him, we would sit down and talk a lot about the skill of acting, the craft. And उनसे मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा, बहुत कुछ समझा. And उनकी आवाज़, उनकी diction, उनकी modulation, the way he would, he would perceive the scenes, the way he would enact the scenes, the way he would get into the character. Wow, I loved working with him, and I'm truly missing him. Hi Windy. Whiskey holic. क्यों ज़रूरी है बिकिनी पिक? How did you get in this character? Because honestly, I have always played positive leads in the past so many years, and I just thought कि अब I can experiment, because I was getting to do the same thing over and over again. So if you have noticed, the shows that I've picked up have always been very different, and they've been very different genres. So the first was a family drama, sitcom. The second that I picked up, मैं ना भूलूंगी, was a thriller. Third that I picked up was an action comedy. So and now this is like a full-on drama. So and I'm playing negative. So I've always tried to pick up things that are different for me, and something that makes me happy. My nickname is China. Thank you so much, Simran. Will you team up with Rudraksh and Prisha? Please watch the show. Who's your favorite actress? I've always admired Sridevi ji. Hi Riddhi. What foundation I use? Okay, I've packed up most of my stuff. So I use this L'Oreal liquid foundation. Other interest area apart from acting? Recently I've discovered my love for food. So nutrition. रील्स विद अब्रार गुन, उनके पास टाइम नहीं है बाबा. Thank you, Sayukta. I will let Floki know that he got a compliment. Thank you, Rusha. Best. My best onset moment from YHC. So many. You know, I enjoyed doing this one scene with Indrani ma'am, where initially हम लोगों ने जब शो शुरू किया था तो उनके साथ मैंने एक सीन किया था जिसमें मीश की मेहंदी लग रही होती है. It was a long scene and I loved doing that scene and I loved the way it was directed and executed. Kaushal Chetan, I hope that you get to see more of me as Ahana. My favorite lipstick shade. Okay, I will tell you how I make my lipstick shades. Okay, so I usually don't wear one lipstick shade. So I usually apply like a dark lipstick and then I use a base. It could be a liquid base or it could be your Kryolan. And I use like a very light shade of your base and I mix it. So it just looks more natural. So try doing that. आज सेट पर कौन कौन है? मैं हूँ, यूवी है, रुद्र है, ट्रिशा है, बस. Hi Bhavini. Do I miss with Devyani? Yeah, I miss the madness. It was fun. And the set was a lot more closer to my house. Hi Partvi. I can't call Sargun. She's in her room. Thank you Sayukta. आपका गला किसने दबाया था? निशान दिख रहा है. This is a little surgery that I had to go through. My height is 5'8.5". Shivika Bhatia. Hi Shivika. Thank you so much, Ethnic Soul. Guess what, guys? I have packed up. So I am going to go. And I just thought that I'll come and say a quick hello to all you lovely people. And I will see you guys very soon. I hope so. And thank you for all the encouragement, for all the love. And keep that coming. It's really motivating.